trading IQ option with the use of simple strategy. I use it on normal trading days. I traded with 2-minute time frame with a candle time period of 15, 10, or 5 seconds. It depends on my trading perspective. Okay, we're all set it up. I will insert our trading indicator, the moving average. So let's set the period of the moving average to 50. Then with type of exponential or EMA. Then set the thickness into bold. Okay, we have already our first indicator seen on the chart. Next is we must add also the second EMA type, the moving average indicator. Let's attach the third moving average. So let's set the period to 20. Be sure it is simple moving average or SMA with the color of green. As you can see on this chart, the MA50 and 20 crosses each other. It means that the trend is pushing more, whether it's going up or down. The green line is our main indicator to focus. When the green line crosses the 2 exponential moving average line, then we will trade with it. It's better to understand the candlestick patterns. Okay, let's try to trade with the 3 MA strategy. Let's find a good trading pair to start. Take a look at the AUD USD. The green line crosses over the 2 EMA. Then let's go for lower. Sometimes this strategy will not work on trendy markets. Let's wait for our trade to be done. Maybe it turns out into a losing trade. Yes, it goes down and down. Got our profit. Let's trade with another pair. Take a look at this one. The green line crosses below the 2 exponential moving average. It's too late for me to take this position, but I will try to trade with it. It is best to trade for 1 minute to 2 minutes expiration time. Yes, it goes up. Hope I can win this trade. Oops, I got no win nor lose on this trade. Be sure to like and subscribe and click the notification bell button to get profitable strategy trading with IQ option.